Here at Lakeland College, we acknowledge that the land we gather on is the traditional homeland, hunting, and ceremonial gathering places of the First Nations, Métis, and Inuit.
The Plains Cree, Woodland Cree, Saulteaux, Blackfoot, Métis, Dene, and Nakota Sioux people have practiced their cultures and languages on Treaty 6 and Métis Region 2 territories for generations, and were the original caretakers of this land.
Many First Nations, Métis, and Inuit people call this land home and have done so for millennia.
We would like to acknowledge the history we have created together on this land, and to be thankful for the opportunity to walk together side by side in friendship, learning from our past, and promoting positive relationships for the past, present, and future.